a diplomatic deft by Pakistan that will be written in the golden words of history, of the contemporary history. That too, that became possible because of the diplomatic strategies and maneuvering, particularly by the current cabinet of Pakistan, more importantly by the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and then a crucial and a critical role played by a Field Marshal and the Chief of Defence Forces, General Asim Munir. These diplomatic strategies have led that now analysts are coming to Pakistan so to talk about ceasefire, to talk about the agreement between United States of America itself and the Iranian authorities. There was a point when President Trump, in his first tenure as the President of United States of America, had said about Pakistan that nothing but lies and deceit. But there came a point, in fact, there is a time today when the vicinity of diplomatic enclaves has been emptied in Islamabad, so to ensure all the security concerns, because the significant US personalities, their policy analysts, and the statesmen, including the son in law of President Trump, are coming so to negotiate the terms and conditions of ceasefire with Iranian authorities, which is going to be held probably on April 9th and April 10th, 2026. Now, what has Pakistan achieved out of it? So far, Pakistan, by playing this critical mediating role in the conflict between these two countries, Pakistan has achieved two significant things so far. Number one, that is the most crucial, that due to this Middle Eastern conflict that was going on between Iran and US, it had caused the blockade of Strait of Hormuz, the same Strait of Hormuz which is detrimental for the global trade of oil around one-fifth or 20%. The moment Pakistan played its mediating role between these two countries, and the moment there came a green signal for ceasefire, a 14-day or a 2-week ceasefire due to the diplomatic maneuvering or strategies played by Pakistan was achieved, that resultantly caused the opening of the Strait of Hormuz, and now that place or that passageway is totally relaxed, and a huge and thriving containers and shipments are passing through to their designated places with the crude or Brent oil in it. Yes, so it means that a huge problem has been solved just at the very start when Pakistan started its playing its mediating role in it. Apart from this critical achievement of restoring the freedom of navigation at the Strait of Hormuz, Pakistan and the current government of Pakistan, along with Field Marshal or Chief of Defence Forces, they have proved themselves and they have played their utmost and productive role in reviving or revitalizing the international image of Pakistan, where now Pakistan is considered as a trustful and a faithful geographic country or an entity where mediating roles as big as between United States of America and Iran could be solved and could be resolved. What are your opinions regarding this? What are your perceptions? How do you see these this diplomatic maneuvering and this diplomatic strategies throughout that have evolved themselves and manifested in the form of ultimately a ceasefire that is going to be held on April 9th and April 10th? We are eager to hear your perceptions in this regard in the comment section below. Thank you.